Hey, how you doing? I'll take that as good. Yes. Oh, I need to pull something up. Hold on 1 minute. We're gonna be building this. What's this, you may ask? I don't know. Let me find it. Probably should have pulled this up before. Oh, there's an advent calendar for Star Wars. What is it? That does not look super impressive. If you get a BD unit in it, though. Coming soon. Wow, that is so cool. I don't care. There it is. Sorry, I'm tired. Okay. This is boarding the Tantive 4. 502 pieces. Came out in 2024. And is set number 75387. And also, you get fives. So, why wouldn't you buy it? Maybe because it's expensive. I don't know. This app doesn't tell me how much they are. It just tells me things about them. So, this could be the price of a small house, and I would have no idea. I got this for my birthday, so I don't know. There's the front. There's the back. And let's open this baby up. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks. Ooh, blue. Thanks. Who thinks? I don't know. We've got stickers. Great, love those. Oh, and the instructions fell. There's the box. Ow. Why'd I say ow? That didn't even hit me. Here's the instructions. Okay. Bag 1. Bag 2. Bag 3. Bag 4. And bag 5, which has parts in it to something. Okay. Let's open up bag 1. Okay. All of the pieces have been extracted. Okay, let's build the two dudes. Where are their blasters? There they are. That. Okay. Here they are. Right there. Pretty cool. And you can rotate their heads, so now He's angry. But we'll keep him as happy. So we can happily commit murder and blast stormtroopers. Yay! Okay, let us start the building process. Yay. Hello, I did it. There. Boom. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's my video. That's the build. It's just plate. Extra pieces include these funny bits. Those funny bits right there. It's bag 2. Yay. Okay. Let us construct the stormtroopers. Woo! And where are the legs? Where aren't thou legs? Okay. Stormtroopers, except one's a black lady and one's a white man, because inclusion and stuff. If anyone's ever said Lego's racist, I'm afraid you're gonna have to take that back. Sorry. Was there actually a black woman and a white man? Were they actually on the set for A New Hope? Is that like a thing, or did Lego just make up these random characters? I guess it doesn't matter in this day and age, but you know, now we're gonna build bag 2, so yay. Bag 2, done. We got part of the wall going, so that's pretty neat. Extra pieces, you don't really care about the extra pieces. On more important news, my mom brought me cookies. They're oatmeal cookies, and they're very good. They make my mouth dry, so I'm gonna go get a drink. Alright, I magically grabbed a Sprite. Sprite Cherry Lime. I don't know. I was gonna get a Dr. Pepper, and then my mom was like, "Don't you think it's too late for Dr. Pepper?" And I was like, "You make a good point. I'll get Sprite." And she's, or I didn't say that. And she's like, "Oh, hey, we got Sprite Lime. Cherry Lime." And I'm like, "Oh my gosh, really? I've never had that before." She's like, "It's pretty neat. You should like try it or something." So I'm like, you know what? I will. You will be the first to know about it. Okay. When you drink it, it just tastes like regular Sprite, but it has like the aftertaste of cherry lime. Yeah, that's how I describe it. Ugh. Excuse me, that's not very hygienic of me, but you don't really care. At least I hope you don't care. If you got offended by me burping, I would recommend getting some tougher skin. It's a cruel world we live in. And sometimes you just have to not be cruel. Yes, English hard. English hard, me dumb. Give that guy his helmet. Give him a gun. Boom. Captain Antilles. Pretty sure that's his name. If it's not, well, I guess, whatever. So that's his happy face. What about his face of pure terror when Darth Vader chokes him? Look at that. Pure terror. Why does my hair look like that? Why is it sticking out? That doesn't... We'll set him off to the side. Power drink. Eat cookie. Fix my hair. Ow, I bit my cheek. Okay, let's build bag 3. Ow. Okay, so basically, long story short, I probably shouldn't say that. This is like gonna be my digital footprint, so I could be like a big YouTuber in like 10 years, and they're gonna look back. People might look back on this moment and just use it to cancel me. It's not even that bad, but I don't know. The world's pretty sensitive now. It might be worse later. I'm not gonna say it. I probably should have just kept all that to myself. But I finished bag 3. Oh, so that's really nice. Oh yeah, I gotta show you. Pretty cool. Bag 4, which will probably take me like 5 seconds. There's like nothing in here. Okay, let's build it. Okay, so I did it. This is bag 4. I'm on a call with my friends right now, but I'm muted and I turned them down all the way so you don't have to listen to their ramblings. And also because they say some stuff that would probably get me canceled. Because, you know, they're in high school, but, you know, I'm in high school, but you see, me personally, I'm a very mature person. I don't know. I don't say naughty words, though, because that's a big no-no. And also because they don't say bad words in Star Wars, so. Okay. Time for bag 5. Okay. We got a little bag. We've got the clone visor things. And then we've got this thingy, the cape and the shoulder pads for the Darth Vader's cape and the shoulder pads for fives. Okay, let's construct Darth Vader. No, I am your father. You guys like my singing? Um, let's go ahead and construct his lightsaber. Okay, this is Darth Vader, and you can take off the top part of his helmet to reveal the scarred face. So that's pretty neat. Now it's time for the reason most people buy this set. CT 5555. Fives. I love fives. He was really close to uncovering, something big. If you haven't seen the Clone Wars, go watch it. You know what? Better yet, go look at my Star Wars timeline and watch and use that. Or use, the most updated one. Because sometimes I get comments of people being like, hey, man, thanks for doing this on, my first version. And I'm like, yeah, no problem. But you should probably go check out the newer one, because this one's going to be outdated. Because it doesn't have all the new stuff. And they just never respond, so. Yeah. Let's get his antenna. My boy Fives. And let's give him his blasters. And here he is. He's fine. And then you have the face print. Okay. Oh no, wait, hold on. I must construct the stand. What the heck? Okay, so here's the stand. There we go. Are they turned down all the way, or are they just talking very loud? They're just talking very loud. Okay. Ignore everything coming from that direction. On the instructions, it has, this black piece, just off to the side. It's like this. So I don't really know what that's used for, but whatever, I guess. Let's start the build. What is up, guys? So basically, I did it. This is the finished product. On the box, they're positioned a little differently, but they're like balanced on like the area where there's no studs, so I can't really do that. But yeah, and then you got fives. Okay, thank you for watching. Go ahead and subscribe because that's pretty neat, and have a good day.